I would like to say one thing here. If we use conditions, we usually use if and else part, but the else part isn't mandatory. It's up to you if you will use it. So if I will erase it, it doesn't make sense here, okay? Because here in our example, we need else part, because we have your price is $4 and we don't have your price is $6, right? So it makes sense to have else part here. But I just want to show you that if I will run it and write, for example, yes, okay, and if I will run it and write no, there is no error, okay? So it means it isn't not bad not to use else part. It isn't mandatory. You can use it or you don't. It's completely up to you. In some situation, it makes sense to use only if part, but in some such situations, like in this cinema example, it makes sense to use if and else part. Okay, I hope it makes sense.